In this version of There's an App for That, we will explore the creation app Animoto. Animoto is a unique and easy video creation tool. When we first open up Animoto, we are able to see the projects that we have already started, and then we're able to quickly create a video. First things first, in the left-hand corner, you will note that my name is up there. Students do have to create an account, or a teacher would need to create an account in order to use Animoto. To begin, we simply click Create Video. And just as a quick disclaimer as we get to this screen, you will notice that this looks a lot like an iPhone. As I was in the process of making this video, Animoto is actually updating their iPad app, so we are only able to view it from the iPhone version, which is very similar. When we first go to create some sort of video content, we are able to look at all the pictures and video clips we have stored in our camera roll. We can also go ahead and click the camera button to take a photo that we want added to our Animoto. As you'll notice up here, we can pick up to 12 pictures or video clips for our video. Let's say we wanted students to highlight a particular concept, say the idea of colors. Down here I have a bunch of pictures of different colors. I'm going to go ahead and click those because those are the ones I want to highlight in my video. Up here I can go ahead and click the next button to move on. In this particular portion, I will very simply choose the style and the music for my video. So if I scroll through the particular styles, let's just start with Inferno. Okay, it'll let me see what it's going to look like. And then I can go ahead and click down here to pick on the type of music. I can add music from my own device that's already there, or I can choose from a bunch of different styles. So let's just do some classical music. How about? Once I've added those things, I will click the next button. And here I can go ahead and give my video a title. So I'm going to name it Colors because that is the project that I'm working on. I could also have students put their first and last name here or leave the date. I could have students put their first and last name in the outro. So I'm going to go ahead and put my first name here. I can also click on these little menu bars right here, and I can actually caption my pictures. So let's start with this one because the color is blue. I can go ahead and click Done, and I can give a caption to some of my pictures here. And I'm not going to go through all of them. But once we've added the text, we will go ahead and we will click Preview. It takes a few seconds to generate a preview, but in that time I could add a description to this if I needed to say a little bit more about my project. And once I preview it, I can go back and I can save the video or I can edit it if need be. And here we go. We'll have our video. I'll turn it down a little bit. So you can see where we've captioned some of our pictures. And we're not going to go ahead and watch the whole thing. I'm just going to pause that. I can also view it full screen if I want to. If I'm happy with the outcome, I just go ahead and click Save Video. And I'm going to do that, and it will take a couple minutes to produce it. So we'll just let that work. And you will see we come back to our previous screen where we have our videos, and we also see the one we just made is rendering. So let's just check out one that was made before. If I click on that particular video, it pulls it up and I'm able to just watch it. Or I have a couple options. I can share, save this video elsewhere. I can still add a description if I want to. If I want to share the video, I can email it to someone. I can just open it in a web browser like Safari or Chrome, or I can copy the link. A great idea for teachers is to create a Google form and have your students just copy the link right into that Google form so you can go back and view those student-created videos at any time. You can also have students air serve into your smartboard and go ahead and just project the videos up on the screen one at a time. Might not be a bad idea to have students go for a gallery walk and walk around the classroom and just view the different videos one at a time. Because you can only upload 12 pictures in their 30-second videos, Animoto is a perfect tool for app smashing, which means putting two apps together. We could create several short Animoto clips and app smash them or put them into iMovie to create one really long movie. Animoto is great for things like putting project ideas together, learning new concepts and taking pictures, studying vocabulary words, and it's very simple and easy for students to use. If you'd like more help with Animoto, contact your iLearn specialist.